How's it going, everybody? What's up, guys? So my name's Elliot Drake. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'm just gonna be talking about everything online business, but more importantly, I'm gonna be talking about social media marketing. I run a 6-figure marketing agency called House of Influence. We're on track to do 7 figures this year. And so background on myself is I worked for a large agency for about 2 years, and I just developed my craft and was able to I was blessed to get mentored by the owner of that company. I actually lived with him for about a year in Arizona, and he taught me how to run a marketing agency, gave me the experience running Facebook ads for these big name brands. So I'm at a point now where I'm ready to give back and just be able to add value to other people's lives. And one way to do that is by building my brand and starting YouTube. So thank you guys for just making it here. Just check out my videos below. You're gonna be seeing at least a video a week, maybe 2. Really depends on how busy I am, to be fair. I'd appreciate if you click the subscribe button, maybe even turn on notifications if you're feeling that generous. But yeah, let me know in the comments on my videos. I love feedback. I don't really know what you guys want to see yet, which I'm guessing is going to be more, social media marketing, how to grow that business. So there'll be a lot of content on that. But just make sure to shoot me DMs or on Instagram. My @thing is Elliot. It'll actually be in the description below. But yeah, just hit me up and I'm happy to help. And I hope you guys have a blessed day.